Okay, welcome back to Trading Hour. Just wanted to point out a couple of stocks that are really moving around. So if you think the headline index is absolutely flat, there are stocks which are doing very well. Global Health, by the way, Medanta, the new listing is now up 23%. So it's really the big bang listing of the day. Great track record, strong promoter name, good fundamentals and valuations have some upside. It's cheaper than peers. So the new listing is doing very well. And so is Bikaji, by the way, 10% higher. Campus Activewear, Castrol India, Karur Vysya, UCO Bank are a couple of other names. So Mitessh Thakkar is joining in to tell us how to approach all of these names. Mitessh, I wanted your thoughts on some of these banks. So, you know, in the PSU banking space, things are picking up yet again, UCO, Union. Is there still some headroom left here? And if yes, what would your pick be?
Good morning again, Sonia. I think, what happened is that this PSU banks, the entire space had gone into a strong outperformance versus the markets plus the private sector banks. Last 2-3 days, we saw some kind of pullback profit booking happening, but I think the trend is clearly and firmly on the upside. So I would believe, yes, there's more upside left. For example, on a chart of Union Bank, if I was to look at, I think the targets are closer to about 77 to about 78 to begin with, and maybe even higher levels eventually. So quite a positive setup over there. Similarly, if you also look at the charts of Bank of Baroda, I think that's a stock which for the last 4-5 days has been sideways. I think the stock, once it starts getting past 167, 168, then I think the stock can easily do about 180 to about 185 on the upside. So I would stay positive. I think that's the space which will keep its outperformance and still see some price gains as well.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Before we let you go, what about the individual stocks that you're recommending?
Yeah, I have in fact a banking name, though not the PSU ones. Kotak Bank is something which has done very well and is breaking out. That's a buy with a stop below 1940 for targets of 1995. And JK Cement is also a stock which is making a fresh swing high. So that's a buy with a stop below levels of 2940 for targets of around 3,100.
All right, got that. Mitessh, thanks a lot for joining us with that quick technical check. But let's talk about some corporates now.